Hey guys, Talia here, founder of Workweek Lunch. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am a meal prep expert and intuitive eating advocate, and today I'm going to show you exactly what I eat as an intuitive eater who also meal preps. Let's do it. So in this video, you're going to kind of see all my meals in one day, and I'll kind of explain the decisions I make as an intuitive eater as I walk you through them. If you missed it, we have an intuitive eating intro video linked somewhere and definitely in the description, so you can check that out if you're new to intuitive eating. I also just want to put a little disclaimer before this video. This is really what I eat, and I do not intend for this video to be prescriptive in any way. This is not what I think other people should eat. This is just really what works for me. So just keep that in mind when watching, and try not to compare what you eat to what I'm eating, because we are all different. Alright, so I usually eat breakfast right after my morning walk, and today I'm doing a frittata that I had prepped on Sunday and homemade bread that I'm toasting. You can actually learn how to make homemade bread in a video for that in the description. So I'm going to reheat this frittata for about a minute or so in the microwave, and then it'll be good to go. I really like being able to just start my day and kind of pull something out of the fridge and eat rather than fuss with breakfast in the morning, because as an entrepreneur, I'm really busy and I just want to get started with the day. So I like that I don't have to think too hard about what I'm going to do, and also I don't have to screw with dishes or anything like that. Of course, I'm adding some hot sauce, and I've got my cold brew. I also have a video on how to make cold brew, so you can check that out, with a little bit of milk. I'm not really a sugar in my coffee kind of girl, but milk usually just does it for me. And that's breakfast. So by 10:30, I'm usually ready for a snack. And so today I'm doing a tofu donut, and you can actually see a video of how I made that here. And I want to show you guys I eat all my meals and I do all my work right here on this couch. This is my desk. And I usually try and take a break while I eat, so I'm not multitasking and just focusing on the food, which is very important to me and helps me feel more full after I eat. And that's the snack. So after my workout, we do like a 15-minute bodyweight workout. We have lunch, and I'm doing a barbecue buffet lunch here. So I have mac and cheese, green beans, tempeh, and a corn fritter. So this is a vegetarian bowl. Just heat that up for 2 minutes, and that's a lunch. Again, no thinking about it, it's just there. So for snacks this week, we're doing fruit, and we change up our snacks pretty much every week, and I have a video of what snacks we generally do. But I have pineapple, mango, and grapes. Wasn't feeling the grapes, so I decided to eat this Nature Valley oat bar instead. Of course, they're really crumbly, so you need a plate. And that was my afternoon snack. It's okay to change your mind mid-snack. By 6 o'clock, my partner and I are done with work, so we're gonna have dinner together, and I had this sweet and sour bowl. You can see a video of how to make that here too. I heat it up for at least 2 minutes because my microwave sucks, and then we sit down and eat together, and it's a really nice end to the day. But he's camera shy, so you'll never see him in my YouTubes. This meal really hit the spot. I hope that you guys try out the recipe. It's linked below somewhere. I love, love, love this meal. And then we have dessert. So this week I'd prepped peach cobbler for us, and I had ice cream. So again, when it comes to desserts and basically everything, there's no measuring stuff out. I just kind of measure with my eyes and go for it. With intuitive eating, there's no guilt, no shame, just go for it. All right guys, that's it. That's pretty much a typical day for me. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions about intuitive eating, drop them in the comments. And if you want to see another video like this, let me know. This is my first one, so I'm happy to try again. Don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you next time. Bye!